Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and let's have a look at these prices. What is happening in the world of XRP? Why are we down so much? I'm going to answer them all for you. Strap yourselves in and let's have a look at what is going on and what are the charts telling us, because that's really all that matters. Everything else, emotions and all that, we have to put them aside. We got to look at the numbers, look at the facts, and let's see what's going on. So if you look at this chart over here, it's very important because when you look at this and what is happening, you can see we're in this sort of pattern at the moment that we're forming. And so when we hit $1.20 a few hours ago before this video, before I even decided to make this video, you can see that we're following this perfectly. And it's really important during these times, to remain calm, and if possible to buy more. So buy the dip, buy the price dip. It's fantastic. It's great. There's nothing that has happened over the last 24 hours that it was different to what happened on Saturday, apart from the fact that the market is just taking a dip, because people they sell, they want to buy other things, and like people sell their profits, like people think, okay, $1.64 was great, I'm just going to sell a whole bunch of it because tomorrow I'm going to go buy stocks or whatever. So normally on Sundays prices do drop, and even going into Monday in Australia, prices do drop before they begin to kick off again. But we know the fundamentals, we know what Ripple is about and where it's heading. And I wanted to draw this for you because once we break out of this, the next stop is literally 240 before we continue to push forward to 330 and beyond. So for me, I wanted to come out and make sure that you guys know that nothing has changed about what's happening. And in fact, we got some news as well to come out of Ripple, which is that patent reveals Ripple's ODL can be used by banks, governments, and corporations. So this came out, and I wanted to bring you this, and I wanted to remind you of this. Now, this came out back in February 2021, but I want to bring you back when times are tough or when the prices are down. I want to bring you back to the values, the blockchain, the purpose of XRP, because it's just a good reminder that to be in it for the long haul. These dips of 30, 40 cents. In 2-3 years from now, you'll be like, oh my God, I was worried about 160 becoming 120 when now it's like 12, 13, $50. So play the long game. And a great quote that I got taught early on is time in the market beats timing the market. So the time in the market will always outplay timing, or trying to get the best time in the market. So time in the market, not timing the market, is really important. So everything about XRP, super solid, everything about it, everything that's happening, it's all normal. Do not stress about what is going on. And also, if we look at the technicals on tradingview.com, it's still signaling for a buy. So there's nothing here that is happening that is out of the ordinary. Of course, like we were at $1.90 last week, and now like to sit at $1.30, it's like, oh my God, what has happened? But may I remind you that it was only a couple of weeks ago that we were sitting at 49 cents. So we've had a massive run up, and now we're consolidating, and it's completely normal to consolidate. And like I mentioned, up down to $1.20, we're still within this particular window. So again, I want to bring this to you because it's really important during these times. So what's happening? So like I mentioned, like we're going to go down, and we will, go down, and the demand zone is sitting at around that 130, that 120, like that is a very strong support now for the prices to come back up. So we're staying above that, we're laughing. And if we, of course, the next one after that is if we stay above $1. That will be very important and critical. So 120 before we push to 220. That's literally all that is happening right now. And look at it as an opportunity to buy more if you have the opportunity, or just simply consolidate and just go, don't look at the screen, just go do something else. Don't look at the screens. We're absolutely 120, and then we push to 220. That's the goal, and it's already happened today. So from here, as I mentioned, 120, and then we continue to push. Like I mentioned, where everything is traveling exactly as it should be. And before you know it, like I still believe that by the end of this month, $3, $3.90 is extremely achievable. So today's dip is a fantastic opportunity to consolidate and to keep buying more. So 3 to 380 is the next zone. After that, $7 to $8 and $5.50 will be the next zone after that, before it pushes forward into the $12 range, which is super exciting. So again, 120 is a point of resistance. $1 is the next point of resistance, but I believe very strongly that 120 will be as low as we go throughout this dip before we continue to push forward and push dollars to 220, 380, and then beyond. So wanted to come out, make this real quick, calm your nerves. It's all good. If you learned something new today, do not forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and I look forward to see you on the next one.